Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. Before we begin, I make a lot of skincare, haircare reviews and sometimes makeup tutorials as well. So if you're interested, please make sure you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new review video is uploaded. The price of this face wash is 249 rupees for 100 ml of quantity. This also has another variant which is a foaming face wash which comes along with a built-in brush, but here we're talking about the gel based one. The packaging also is quite simple. It comes in this flip open tube packaging. It has a transparent gel based texture. It has a slight yellowish tint to it because of turmeric that is present in this face wash. And it forms a very mild sort of lather because it is SLS free and they have used very gentle surfactants in this one. This is the complete ingredient list of this face wash. These are all of the surfactants that they have added in this face wash. These are some of the moisturizing ingredients that they have added, and these are viscosity controlling, perfuming and preservatives that they have added in this face wash. Okay, now I did notice that the ingredient list mentioned on their website and the ingredient list that is mentioned on the product is quite different, not just in the order of the ingredients but also some ingredients are different. Like the preservative which they have shown on the website is quite different as compared to the one that is reflecting on the product packaging. The ingredients that are displayed in both the sites, whether it's the website or the packaging, they're not bad ingredients. Now a lot of brands, they mention on their website that the ingredients would be most updated on the product packaging because sometimes they do change their formulations a little bit here and there, which happens with a lot of different products with these brands, which is absolutely fine, but there's nothing such mentioned on their website, so I was not sure which ingredient list is the most accurate one. So I just assumed that the ingredient mentioned on their face wash, the packaging would be the most updated one, and I have included the list based upon that. Okay, with this information aside, let me share my overall thoughts about this face wash. This is a very mild and gentle face wash. It is non-stripping. It has a slight citrusy fragrance. It lathers less and the price is quite affordable. They have added sodium ascorbyl phosphate as the vitamin C ingredient in this face wash, but this particular ingredient comes at the very end of the list. It comes third last in the ingredient list as per their product packaging ingredient list. So I would say don't expect some great benefits of vitamin C from this face wash because the vitamin C ingredient is towards the very end of the list, and the other natural vitamin C ingredients like lemon oil and lime oil, they are, I think, used as fragrancing and perfuming ingredients. And anyways, face wash is just a wash off product, so I don't expect a lot from it. I just have two basic expectations, that it should clean the face properly and it should not be overly stripping, which this one does. So it is just a good basic face wash, but they're marketing it as a vitamin C face wash, where the vitamin C, you wouldn't get that much benefit out of vitamin C. All it does is just gives a temporary bit of slight brightness to the face, and that is all. And I think that is the case with most of the face washes that claim vitamin C and other different benefits. Another thing is it does not contain any added synthetic fragrance, but they have added lime oil and lemon oil as perfuming or fragrancing ingredients. Coming to the cons of this product is, the first thing that I noticed is the variation in the ingredient list on the website and the product packaging. Another con of this product is that the vitamin C ingredient, which is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, is used third last in the ingredient list, which is like very low concentration, so you wouldn't get that much benefit of vitamin C. So overall, as a face wash, it does its job. It's a pretty decent one, does not strip the skin. I like this face wash, but these were the two cons that I felt I should share. That is all from my overall review of this face wash. If you found this review to be helpful, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.